you're new, hello, hello, hello. Welcome. I hope by the end you'll want to hit that subscribe button and become friends. So today I want to do another lookbook, and we're going to go end of summer, pre-fall, because we do still have some warm days, but I want to do pajamas. I am all about pajamas. That is like the first thing that I put on as soon as I walk in the door. And if I don't have to go out during the day, guess what? I'm wearing pajamas, So I figured what better way than for me to share my pajamas with you. So let's get started. So end of summer. Yes. What do you guys think? It's just elastic. Super cute. Although you don't really have to look cute to go to bed, obviously. But you do want to feel like a girl. Like the end of the night, you take off your makeup, you put your hair on, you put some like moisturizer or whatever it is that you use before you go to bed, and then you're just like, oh, the day has ended. All right, let's get into something a little more traditional. Who doesn't love a good Disney movie? So yeah, elastic. It is the Dalmatians, but super cute. I love it when my pajamas match each other. So yeah. And at the end, I want you guys to tell me which is your favorite set. I love these pajamas. They are super soft, super comfy. Have a hood. It is for those chilly, chilly, chilly nights. And yeah, I've worn it out. Unicorn with pockets. I don't know how comfortable this will be to sleep in at night. It feels kind of comfy, but this might get in the way. This horn. But she is super cute, super comfy. I picked her up at Walmart. What do you guys think? Is this going to be your favorite? Any Yoda fans? I look like a dog right here, but look. It's Yoda. Baby Yoda. I love these pajamas. It has pockets. Super cute, super comfy. Yeah, what do you guys think? Will you be voting for Miss Yoda? Yeah, I like it. Definitely. I think I'm going to wear these tonight if it's chilly. We still have some warm days though. So let me show you what else I would be putting on. Some of you may have seen this shirt in my videos. That's me just being so comfortable and wanting to put out content or play with an eyeshadow palette. So I'm still wearing this, but as you can see, it's just classic pajamas. What do you guys think? I do like your opinions. So I think I'm gonna end this video here with this set because believe it or not, I have more pajamas in my closet than I do actually other clothes. So if you like this video and enjoyed it since my first time doing a pajama lookbook, would you like this video and put that down in the comments? Because I will show you the rest of my pajamas. Yeah, so thank you for being here. I look forward to talking with you down in the comment section. And I love you guys so, so, so much. And if you're new, I can't wait to get to know you. I will see you real soon in my next video. Bye.